Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create HubSpot contact on FlexiFunnels purchase. So here I am an online educator and providing multiple digital courses by selling it with the help of FlexiFunnels. For managing all the customers who are purchasing my courses, I am using HubSpot CRM. So I want that as soon as a new course will be purchased by a new customer through FlexiFunnels, automatically that customer should be added as a contact in my CRM, that is in HubSpot CRM. Now, to automate this entire process, we will have to set up the connection between FlexiFunnels and HubSpot CRM. And that we are going to do without any coding and any programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So, if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step for your business, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, as I told you, we are going to learn step by step that how we can automatically create contacts in HubSpot whenever a purchase will be made in FlexiFunnels. So as an online educator and course provider, I'm selling my courses with the help of FlexiFunnels. You can see these are all the courses I have, and I want that as soon as the course will be purchased by a customer, automatically that customer should be added as a contact in my HubSpot CRM, so that further I will be able to maintain the consistency of these customers by managing them with the help of CRM. Okay. So here currently I'm selling PHP programming course, for which I want that when the purchase will be made through FlexiFunnels, the person who has purchased this PHP programming course should be added as a contact. To automate this entire process, we will set up the connection between FlexiFunnels and HubSpot CRM, and that we are going to do without any coding and programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which helps us to automate all our daily repetitive tasks without the requirement of any coding and any programming skills, simply by setting up connections between our work applications. So similarly, with the help of Pabbly Connect, we are today going to set up the connection between FlexiFunnels and HubSpot CRM. So let's get started quickly. This is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing this URL pabbly.com/connect/INR in our browser. After coming over here, we will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. It has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where we can find all the workflows which we have created. And to save these workflows, we can also create separate folders like this. Now, to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option. Let's do that. Here a dialog boxes appear in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let me provide a name over here. Create HubSpot contact on FlexiFunnels purchase. After giving the name to my workflow, I'm going to select the folder over here. Among these folders, the automation which I'm going to set up currently is related to learning management. So automations for learning management will be my folder. And now I'm going to click on create. In the similar manner, according to the purpose for which you are setting up this connection, you are setting up the automation, you can create multiple folders and you can save your workflows accordingly in these folders. Okay, now as we have done that, you can see a new screen is open in front of us. The screen contains two extremely important windows: trigger and action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation works. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is a response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now, let's suppose I want that every time I'm going to receive a new purchase through FlexiFunnels, when a new purchase will be made by a customer in FlexiFunnels for my courses, then automatically the person who has purchased the course should be added as a contact in my CRM, in my HubSpot CRM account. For that, here I have to take FlexiFunnels in trigger and HubSpot CRM in my action step. When we are going to build the connection between these applications with the help of Pabbly Connect, we will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the purchase will be made in FlexiFunnels, then only the person who has purchased the course will be added as a contact in HubSpot, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us start creating our automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, let's go towards our trigger step and let us select our trigger application. So what will be our trigger application? By which application you want to start your workflow every time. So I want that when the purchase will be made for the course in FlexiFunnels, then my workflow should start. So here FlexiFunnels will be our trigger applications. We have selected that. Then we have to select the trigger event. On the happening of which specific event in FlexiFunnels you want to start your workflow and you want to capture the response. So here I want that when new purchase will be made in FlexiFunnels, then my workflow should start. Alright, now we have selected the trigger application and the event. Now we have to set up the connection between FlexiFunnels and Pabbly Connect. To build this connection, you can see we have a webhook URL over here and also we have some instructions given. So basically we have to follow the given instructions step by step in order to insert the webhook URL inside of a specific course, which we want that when it will be purchased in FlexiFunnels, the response should be captured. So let's copy the webhook URL as it is going to act as a bridge for transferring the data of every new purchase in FlexiFunnels towards Pabbly Connect. Okay, but we can only set up the connection with a specific product. Okay. So I'm going to show you each and every step that how you have to build the connection. For that, first of all, I will take you towards my FlexiFunnels account. Over here, you can see I have multiple products which I'm selling. Programming in Python, PHP programming, Pab, audio extractor, web camera. But here we have to set up the connection between a specific product and Pabbly Connect. How we are going to do that? For that, we have to select specific product which we want to connect. Let's say I want to connect this PHP programming course. I'm going to go towards edit option of the course. And after coming over here from the left side, we'll see the option of set rules. So we'll select it. And now we have to click on this set product rules button. We have to add a new product rule over here. So for when we want to add the rule, we want that when the product will be purchased. So here we'll select product is purchased. Then we have options for the pricing, a specific pricing option or for all pricing. So I'm going to select all pricing over here. Then we have to select the use. So we have to use webhook over here to connect. Then we have to provide a name to the webhook. So let's say I'm going to give the name as new connection, just a random name. And here we have to paste a webhook URL which we have recently copied from Pabbly Connect. Alright, after doing this, we'll simply click on save. And you can see that here our webhook is added successfully. We'll just go back towards Pabbly Connect. Over here it is showing waiting for webhook response. When we have set up the connection between FlexiFunnels and Pabbly Connect, now we are waiting for the response to be captured. How are we going to receive the response? By doing a test submission. To do the test submission, we have to perform the same event which we have selected in trigger event. That means we have to make a new purchase of the same product which we have recently connected. As the product will be purchased, the response will be captured. And by using that response, we will continue our workflow then. So I'm going to take you towards the sales page of my PHP programming course. This is it. And here I'm going to click on this buy now option. I'm going to purchase a course in front of you with some dummy details. Let's start with a name. So let's say the name of the person who is purchasing this course is Best, and let's say the last name is Customer. Best Customer is the name. Let's say the email is bestcustomer23@pablitudes.com. Let's say the phone number of this best customer is, and let's say the address is this. Let's say this is the city, state, zip code, and I'm going to select the country as well as India. Then here we have the item which we are purchasing, PHP programming. It has one-time fee. Then we have to provide the card details. So because I'm doing a test submission, I'm going to use a dummy card detail over here to make the dummy purchase. Alright, so here I'm going to use dummy card number first of all, dummy expiry date, dummy CVV, and a dummy zip code. I'm going to click on complete order to make this purchase. And as soon as we have made the purchase, you can see that here our purchase is successful. So I'm going to take you back towards Pabbly Connect for a few seconds. Let's wait, and you can see that the response is immediately captured. So in the response, we have received all the details. Let's start reading them one by one. First of all, here we have the zip code. Then we have the state of the purchaser. Then we have the sales page ID. Okay, then we have the product title. That means for which product the sale is made. We have the product ID over here. We have the amount which is received. We have the phone number over here, a specific or unique order ID, name of the customer, email address, and the date and time at which we have received the payment. Okay, this and other details are also received, and these details are exactly the same, if you will notice, which we have entered while making the purchase. So this means our connection between FlexiFunnels and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. And now every time the new purchase will be made for the specific product which we have connected, then the response is going to be automatically captured in Pabbly Connect. Once we have set up the connection, what we want to create a contact in HubSpot CRM. For that, now we have to build the connection between HubSpot CRM and Pabbly Connect. For that, let's go towards our action step and let us select action application as HubSpot CRM. Then we have to select the action event. What you want? I want to create a contact in HubSpot CRM. So I've selected create a contact. You can see I'm already logged into my HubSpot account, and here I'm going to click on connect to build the connection now. You also have to keep in mind that if you want to connect any application with Pabbly Connect, priorly you have to log in and do that, so that it is going to make the connection easier and simple. As we have clicked on connect, you can see we have two options to build the connection between HubSpot CRM and Pabbly Connect. Among these two options, if you already have an existing connection, you can just quickly go with that. I'm going to show you to build a new connection. So I'm going to select add new connection, and I will click on connect with HubSpot CRM. As we have done that, now we have to select the specific account. We have selected that as well, and let's click on choose account over here. Now here the account is detected and authorization has become successful. This means our connection between HubSpot CRM and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. Now we just have to enter the details in these fields to create a contact. So let's start entering them one by one. First of all, it is asking us the street address. We have received all the details of the customer in our earlier response already, and now we are not going to enter these details manually by typing or by copy and pasting, but we are going to use a special technique for entering these details, and that is mapping. Mapping is inserting data from previous step. This is our previous step. As you can see, when I'm going to search for the address over here, you can see here we have received that. So I'm going to directly map the address from the previous step like this. And as I have done that, I have made the data dynamic. When we map the details, it becomes dynamic, and with each and every new response, automatically it is going to replace. So this means that every time a new purchase will be made in FlexiFunnels for the course, the response is going to be captured, and according to that response, automatically the address, and not only the address but all the details which we are going to map are going to replace. And in this way, we are going to automate the entire process of creating contacts in HubSpot CRM for every new purchase in FlexiFunnels. In case if we will enter the data manually over here by typing or by copy and pasting, then it will become static, and then it is not going to replace every time. Then we will not be able to automate the entire process. Therefore, mapping is very important to complete our automation. In a similar manner, now we have the next is annual revenue. I'm going to ignore this field. We have the city as well. So let's map the city like this. Then we have the close date, company name, etc. These details we have not received, so I'm going to ignore these fields. But if you want, you can definitely add them as well. I have received the country, so I'm going to map the country as well. This is the country code we have received. Degree, complaint, issue, etc. I will directly map the email over here. We have fax number, first name which we have received, gender. Then we'll directly scroll down. Here we have the next field which we can enter as phone number. Okay, so here we have WhatsApp phone number. I'm going to directly map it. Last name, and done. Now I'm going to quickly scroll down. I will directly click on save and send test request button. And you can see that here we have received the response in which we have received all the details. Along with this, we have also received the contact ID. This means that the contact with the name as best customer is successfully created in HubSpot. So I'm going to quickly take you towards HubSpot account. We will go towards the contact section, and you can see that yes, automatically here we have a new contact created with the name as best customer. We have the email as well. When I'm going to open the contact, we have all the details. This means that the connection between FlexiFunnels and HubSpot CRM is absolutely successful. And now every time a new purchase will be made in FlexiFunnels, automatically according to that purchase and the customer, a new contact will be created. Once we have set up the connection, we are going to test the workflow once again, that whether it is running fine or not. To test the workflow once again, I'm going to go towards the sales page of my FlexiFunnels account, and I'm going to make a new purchase in front of you. So I'll click on buy now. I'm going to use some new details this time. Let's say this time the name of the customer is new customer. Let's say the email is this. We have the phone number as well, address. Let's say this again a dummy card number, and I'm going to complete the order. As we have purchased the product, as we have purchased this course with the name as new customer, as you can see, the purchase is made. I'm going to take you towards HubSpot, and we'll go towards the contact section. Here you can see that this is the contact section. Here we have the email, and when I'm going to open this new customer, which is instantly and automatically created, we have all the details as you can see. This means our connection is absolutely successful and also our workflow is running fine. So now you can also very easily create this amazing automation to add the customers directly as your contacts in CRM, to manage them fully effortlessly and maintain the consistency as well as boost your sales. I hope this automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.